So today I have a special announcement. I just want to let you guys know tomorrow at 12 p.m. August 10th, we are opening our homemade soapmakingsupplies.com store where you can get soap making supplies and see soap making supplies like these beautiful sprinkles here and this beautiful mica here. But you can also get the soap. If you don't want to make the soap that I make on the show, right here, you can get it there also. So here's the thing, 20% off everything in the entire store. Soaps, micas, soap sprinkles, everything, soap making kits, everything 20% off. And the first 20 people who order $20 or more in soap supplies will get an additional $20 free product. I'm going to throw it in there. It won't be duplicates unless you order one of everything. And if you want to do that, hey, just let me know what duplicates you want. But it'll be something different than what you ordered. So the first 20 people who order $20 in soap making supplies, we're going to open at noon. Thank you so much, guys, for encouraging me to do this. I've had a blast. It's been a ton of work getting the website together, but now that it's all coming together, this is great. So how this works is you order between August 10th and August 17th. We're going to do a co-op. You guys order. Then I'm going to place the order. And my wonderful assistant, Gina, is going to help pack all of this stuff up and get it shipped out to you in 3 to 4 weeks after your order. Please be patient. Please be kind. We are brand new. There are going to be kinks, but we are going to work them out and we will be good to you guys. We're going to help you out. If you have problems, please just be patient with us. And so that's how we're going to do it, as a co-op to start. Now, I'm anticipating it not being a co-op very long, I'll be honest. I'm thinking only 1 or 2 months, and then we're going to have supply built up, and then we're just going to open the store all the time. But for right now, we're going to start off as co-op. Please go visit homemade soapmakingsupplies.com. I know it's long. We're trying to work with Google here. You can get my soaps. So if you don't want to make soap, you can get my soaps, or you can get the soap making supplies, okay? All right, guys. I will see you next time, and please visit us at homemade soapmakingsupplies.com.